Morning, and this week, the Iowa State Fair has updated its coronavirus guidelines, recommending masks indoors, but still not requiring them. Our Taylor Musgrove is live from the fairgrounds this morning. And Taylor, some Iowans are really concerned a big event like this could drive up COVID-19 cases even higher.
That's right, Jody. Despite COVID-19 cases already steadily increasing in the state and the fair attracting upwards of 1 million visitors, organizers believe they can still hold a safe event.
Comfortable with conducting the Iowa State Fair in as close to normal as we can be, with an eye of safety protocol and making sure that we're increasing those hand sanitizers, hand washing stations, and janitorial things to make people feel comfortable.
Now, the key words for COVID-19 mitigation strategies in Iowa is recommending and encouraging. The fair is encouraging attendees to follow CDC guidelines by wearing masks, frequently washing hands, social distancing, and of course staying home if you feel sick. Recommendations that are also echoed by local hospitals. Unity Point says their COVID-19 hospitalizations have jumped from single to double digits within the last few weeks, made up mostly of unvaccinated patients. Clint Hawthorne with Unity Point says he expects this number to grow with Iowa students returning to school this month and people attending larger events. However, Hawthorne says he wouldn't be so quick to write off the fair as a super spreader.
The likelihood of that type of event is less when you have someone or numerous people in the group who are vaccinated. So the likelihood of a super spreader event is certainly less than it was in our general population if you look at 12 months ago when we didn't have anybody who was vaccinated.
Now, Hy-Vee will be providing vaccines at the Iowa State Fair, but according to the CDC, it usually takes about 2 weeks for vaccines to become effective. So Hawthorne says if you do plan on attending the fair, you should get the vaccine as soon as possible, Jody.
Okay, good to know. The fair starts August 12th, but when we see some of that file video that you showed in your story, Taylor, of all the people kind of roaming around in close quarters, I don't know. It'll be interesting to see how this fair
looks. And you know, CEO Gary Slater also encourages people to find places around the state fair to social distance. So after you grab your food, you know, maybe find a park bench where no one is around you to kind of social distance there.
Okay. All right. Thanks so much, Taylor. Yeah, the state fair draws in millions of people every single year. In years past, it's been hard to social distance, not even knowing what that word was a few years ago.
That's pretty much been,
yeah, it's hard to do.
The opposite of that. Yeah, and you would think that anybody that's got a big event coming up kind of wants that event to hurry up and go.
Yeah, like
right now.
Right, before things get worse than what they are.
Exactly.